Welcome back. Good Sunday morning, everybody. I'm John Gerard with you. It is coming up on 5:12 on this Sunday morning. In case you're wondering what changed overnight, you didn't really miss a whole lot, but things are expected to change quickly as we go through the next 24 to 36 hours. Here's a look down from outer space on Tropical Storm Ian. I'm going to throw everything at you this morning because I think you can handle it. Right? That's why you're watching this morning, because you want to see what the latest is on Ian. I'm going to show you all kinds of computer models and we're gonna do this. You ready? So here we go. You can see the satellite loop right there. A lot of pretty well-defined circulation, although it is kind of ragged looking still. Not completely organized. Hurricane hunters have been in and out of there all night long, and a new crew is coming in. And where they've been dropping balloons and drop sondes, have been taking data well in advance of the storm across the U.S. Extra balloons being launched, and they're still confused as to why this hasn't really taken off yet, but it's still expected to. There's warm water and less wind shear ahead, so there is absolutely no reason why this won't explode into something major in the next day or two. So at 5 o'clock, the advisory has top winds of 50 miles an hour. It is now moving west-northwest at 12. It's been moving off pretty much due west, but now a little bit west-northwest. That might be the beginning of a turn. We'll see if that trend continues throughout the morning and afternoon hours today. For now, still west-northwest and moving at about 12 miles an hour. Pressure still not really low yet, 1,002 millibars. It'll be dropping well down into the 900s as intensification takes place quickly in the next 48 hours or so. Here's the forecast track, or the cone as we call it. This is the error cone. Now, even though we have that line down the middle, it hardly ever does that. It could be along the right edge. It could be along the western edge. This cone is where the center of circulation should be based on previous experience. And when you get into days 4 and 5, the cone is about 200 miles wide. So there could be literally a 200-mile wide error in where this thing is going to be. And sometimes it goes outside the cone. It only stays inside 2/3 of the time. So we're hoping it doesn't pop outside the cone and head toward us. Right now, there's no indication that's going to happen, but there is just an incredible amount of uncertainty with this system. As we head toward Tuesday, that's where it'll be there, just coming off the coast of Cuba. It's not going to be over Cuba long enough to really disrupt it, so it's going to be close to Category 4 status. By Wednesday morning, during the wee hours of early Wednesday morning, going past just about our latitude and heading up into the Florida Big Bend on Thursday. Now, again, if it takes the right edge, we'll be close enough to see tropical storm impacts here. If it takes the western edge, we'll have very little impact here. So it's all about location, where inside the cone this thing is going to be, and we'll wind up heading into, looks like North Florida by the time all is said and done. We've got tropical storm watches, hurricane watches out for western Cuba, hurricane warning for parts of the Caymans. The spaghetti model tracks haven't changed much from last night. They're still pretty well clustered over the Florida Panhandle. Even though that's where they're clustered, that usually means a high degree of confidence, but it's really not the case because some of the models have what we call an ensemble, and they're just really all over the place. The future radar takes it across Cuba in the next couple of days. As we're going to stop this right around Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, and that's when it gets into the southeastern Gulf of Mexico. Now, even though it's pretty far away from us, we'll see some rain bands wrapping around that. So we could see some gusty winds and possibility of severe weather, maybe an isolated tornado or two on Tuesday and Wednesday. So we're not going to get away totally scot-free. The American model has a center 350 miles away from us, and that would leave us with very few impacts here. But the European model, a little bit of a different story. This is the reason why there's been some uncertainty. The European model is a really good model, and it's only got it about 150 miles away. We'd certainly be well within the window there of getting some locally severe weather. So here are the things you need to know. An explosion to major hurricane is likely. The track is farther west, but the greatest impacts will be well north and west of us. We're definitely not out of the woods, though, and we could see some local severe weather on Tuesday and Wednesday. More on our local weather coming up in just a few minutes.